What's up, everybody, and welcome back to a special video. Now, first I gotta turn down this music real fast so I can make my video. Alright, guys, we just got back from Walmart. We're heading on our way to McDonald's, and I'm gonna make an unboxing video in the car, okay? So, it's pretty big. It's the Avengers, and I got the Avengers Infinity War Nerf guns, and you should all know who it is. Well, just it says Spider-Man somewhere. Oh, Spider-Man's on this side. Spider-Man. I got the Avengers Infinity War Spider-Man one. I'm just gonna try it on. So, let's open it. I don't have any scissors, so I don't know how. I think it's at the bottom how to open it. Here, I'm gonna open it. Here it is. Got it opened. So don't know how to get this thing out. Got it. Just need to take these little straps off. Can help me here. I'll hold the tablet.
Can you pause it?
Oh, ma'am.
Stop it. It's gonna be too long.
Alright, guys. So that was my part one to open it, but whenever I get home, I'm gonna open it for good. Okay. So bye.